We could drive along an ocean reflecting.
Hey guys, so it's been a long time since I did a polymer clay creation, and you know what? I felt like I want to do something. So I drew a few sketches of a husky ewing sitting on a fruit, laying on a fruit, or holding a fruit in his hand. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take one of the sketches and I'm gonna create them with this very old polymer clay I got. So first I need to bring it into workable state by adding some water. And yeah, and then we can start creating. So let's get this creation juice moving.
We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze.
I start by working with the white Fimo clay. After bringing it back into shape, I start molding the husky body. And let me tell you, it was challenging. I forgot how challenging it is to work with Fimo clay, especially in those tiny proportions where I barely had space to hold it, not alone sculpting the face. Later on, after watching a proper tutorial, I also realized I probably did it the wrong way. I should have started with a black circle to create the face and then cover it with a white Fimo clay. And I did it the other way around, which got my Fimo really dirty from the black clay. So yeah, by all means, this is not a tutorial and you should not follow the way I sculpt it. This video is more to share my take on how I see life experience. So although it didn't turn out as I want, I don't consider it as a failure. As long as I enjoy my experience and the making of it, I see it as a lesson which I can grow and learn from. So at first I really doubt if to share this video, because as many other people, we usually don't like to share what we consider as failure. But then I thought if maybe other people can see it, and it might help them in a situation where they think they failed or stuff didn't go as they want, then yeah, this video has a purpose. And it's completely fine to be a little upset at first, but as you remember, maybe even this failure is just a step to give me the skills that I need or the lessons that I need to make something even better, or just in this case, maybe create a video that can help others. Then you can see your creation was a success, maybe not in the way you first thought it to be.
Is for falling in love.
So to sum it up, if you change your belief system and see all your action as some part of success, even if it's not as you planned it to be, you'll manage to evolve and grow. Sometimes success doesn't mean achieving our first goal, but learn that we still need to improve our skills or maybe approach the situation from a different angle as the first one didn't give us the best result. In other times, we can see from what we call a failure is just to show us that we need to take a completely different path that we didn't even thought about at first place and might benefit us much more. Either way, if we keep an open mind, the result we might get after can really astound us. In this case, after I finished sculpting my husky, I wasn't completely happy with the result. It turned a bit too big, plus it had a lot of black stains because I didn't keep the surface too clean. Plus the strawberry I did turned a bit too big and long and didn't match the size of the husky. So after taking one day break, I decided to make another one. And this time I was much more knowledgeable and aware how to keep it clean and make it as I want. So I made two of them and I turned them to the cute earrings you can see right now. Okay guys, so I know it wasn't a polymer clay tutorial as you might think from the thumbnail, but I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. So if you enjoyed the video and took some notes from it, you're welcome to leave a like or a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!